Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and implement social login with Firebase Auth detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred code editor. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to your project directory in the terminal. To install Firebase, use the command npm install Firebase. Once installed, set up your Firebase project in the Firebase console. Go to Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Follow the prompts to name your project and accept the terms. Once your project is created, navigate to the Authentication section in the left sidebar. Click on Get Started to enable authentication. Choose the sign-in method you want to implement, such as Google or Facebook. Enable the selected provider by toggling the switch and providing necessary credentials. Note the values for your Firebase configuration. Now, go back to your code editor. Create a new file named firebaseconfig.js. In firebaseconfig.js, import Firebase with import initialize app from firebase/app. Add your Firebase project configuration variables. Use const app equals initialize app Firebase config to initialize your app. Next, import Firebase Auth by adding import get auth from firebase/auth. In the same file, initialize the auth instance like so: const auth equals get auth app. Save and close firebaseconfig.js. Now, create a new file for handling login, name it login.js. In login.js, import the auth instance with import auth from /firebaseconfig. If you have chosen Google as your provider, you'll need import Google Auth Provider sign in with pop-up from firebase/auth. Now create a function to handle the login process. Within this function, create an instance of Google Auth Provider. Then, call sign in with pop-up with the auth instance and the provider. Handle any potential errors using .catch to display error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.